Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Swiggy delivery partner. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements, such as being 18 years old and having legal work authorization. Next, gather your essential documents, including a valid driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance. You will also need a smartphone and a bank account for receiving your earnings. Once your documents are ready, start your application by registering online via the official Swiggy partner portal. You'll then upload all your required documents for verification and a quick background check. After successful verification, you must complete a mandatory onboarding and training session to understand the platform and delivery guidelines. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, for those busy days, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After completing training and receiving final approval, activate your Swiggy partner account. You can then enjoy the flexibility of choosing your preferred working hours and delivery zones. Swiggy offers a clear payment structure, including various incentives and daily payouts, ensuring you always understand how your earnings are calculated.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.